In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best cold welding machines available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the cold welding machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cold welding machines mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Andeli Smart TIG 250 PL AC/DC TIG Welder TIG Pulse Cold Welding Machine TIG Aluminum with Aluminum Alloy TIG Welding Machine. Number 4. Andeli Intelligent Welder TIG 250G PLC TIG Cold Pulse Clean Smart OAG Cold Welding Machine Multifunctional TIG Welding Machine. Number 3. Andeli Smart TIG 250 PL AC/DC TIG Welder TIG Pulse Cold Welding Machine TIG Aluminum with Aluminum Alloy TIG Welding Machine. Number 2. Andeli 220V Cold Welding Machine TIG Cold Pulse Clean Gold Sliver Welding TIG Welding Machine TIG Welder Spot Welding Inverter. Number 1. Andeli TIG 250 MPL Mohs Tube Multifunctional TIG Welding Machine with Hot Cold TIG Pulse Cold Welding Machine with Hot Cold TIG